Hello students, let's start today's class. Coordinate geometry is the chapter. Exercise 7.2, it is the part 1. It's okay. The chapter is based on the formula, section formula. It's okay. Now, a point P, X, Y which divides the line segments joining the points A, X1, Y1 and B, coordinate X2, Y2 internally in the ratio M1, ratio M2. Then the coordinates are, it is these 2 points A, B. P is the point XY which divides the line in M1 and M2 ratio. Okay. Then XY is this coordinate of this point XY is equal to M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1 upon M1 plus M2. And Y coordinate is M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 upon M1 plus M2. You have to go like cross. Okay, these are the two coordinates. Now, if the ratio in which P divides AB as K ratio 1, then the coordinates of the point P will be XY. So, okay, in this case, if it is K ratio 1, instead of M1, M2, we can write it K X2 plus X1 upon K plus 1. It is the value of X. And coordinate of Y is K Y2 plus Y1 upon K plus 1. Okay. Now, next is if it's divided in M1 and M2, it is the same distance. Means if P is the midpoint. So, okay. And it is M1, M2 is 1 ratio 1. Then the coordinate of xy is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay. Now, a point xy. So, okay, point P, coordinate xy which divides the line segments joining the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 internally in the ratio M1, ratio M2 and then ratio M1 upon M2 is equal x minus x2, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. And or you can write y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. Okay. These are the formula you must have to learn. Okay. Please learn this formula. Now, exercise 7.1. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the join of point this means point minus 1, 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2 ratio 3. 2 points A, B, its coordinate is minus 1, 7 and 4 minus 3, its point P, divide it in the ratio 2 ratio 3. Then we have to find out the coordinate of point P. Let the coordinate of point P is xy. Okay. So, x is equal to, again we have to do same M1 into M2. So, M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1. Okay. Upon M1 plus M2. This is the identity. Formula or identity. You substitute the value in this way and it is value of x is equal 1. Okay. Next, M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 upon M1 plus M2. So, okay, in this way it is 3. Then the coordinate is 1, 3. Okay. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segments joining 4, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. Now, trisection means it divides into 3 equal parts. AC is equal to CD is equal to BC. If I take first 1 part and next 2 part, means ratio is 1 ratio 2. So, AC ratio CB is equal to 1 ratio 2. So, coordinate of C is, now you check it. It is, it's okay, M1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So, okay, in this way it is coming, it is 6 upon 3, that means it is 2. And y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 plus m1 plus m2, so okay, upon m1 plus m2, that is equal to minus 5 upon 3. So coordinate is 2 minus 5 upon 3. It is the coordinate of C. Now coordinate of D you can find out by midpoint theorem. This point you have got, it is 2 minus 5 upon 3. Now by midpoint you can do this plus this upon 2 and this plus this upon 2. You can do in this formula also you can write, or you can do it now next. You see, you can do it in this way, 2:1, because 2 part is here and 1 part is here. So okay, it is 2:1, you can also find out. So again it is this 4, it is 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, and again y coordinate is 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So it is this one. It is, then the coordinate is 0 and minus 7 upon 3. So okay, so it is the coordinate of point D. So these points, coordinate of C and coordinate of D are given. Okay, now question number 3. To construct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Now see the figure. ABCD is the school ground, rectangular school ground. Okay, lines have been drawn with chalk powder. These are the lines have been chalked by the line drawn by chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots, it is 1 meter each, and 100 flower plots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So okay, as shown in the figure, Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. 1/4 of distance AD. AD is 100 meter as given. So 1/4 of 100 meter is 25 meter. And Preet on the second line. So Niharika is on the second line. It's okay. And Preet on the 8th line, and he goes 1/5 of the 100 meter, means 20 meter. So okay, in 8th line is 20 meter and it is second line 25 meter. Okay. Now coordinate of Niharika is 225, x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 25. Coordinate of Preet's position is 8, 20. 8th line x-axis is 8 and y-axis is 20. So 8, 20. Okay. Now if the Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and the post the red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? So okay, if Rashmi has to post a flag exactly halfway between the line segments joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Now first, by distance formula you have to find the distance between Preet and Niharika. So it is by distance formula, NP means distance between Niharika and Preet is equal to under root 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square, that is equal to under root 61 meter. Okay. Now coordinate of Rashmi is exactly in the halfway. So okay, in the middle part. So it is by midpoint, it is 2 plus 8 upon 2 and 25 plus 20 upon 2. So this is equal to 5 and 22.5. So 5 means x coordinate is 5. So Rashmi will post her blue flag on fifth line and at the distance of 22.5 meter on side AD. Okay. Next question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -310 and 6-8 is divided by -1 6. Ratio we have to find out. So okay, suppose this ratio is k ratio 1. Okay, so we can take let the point C means this -1 6, it divides AB in the ratio k ratio 1. So x coordinate is k x2 plus x1 upon k plus 1. So now substitute the value here. So it is then k 6k plus -3 upon k plus 1. Now cross multiply it is. It's okay. Value of x is -1. Cross multiply minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Now 6k we shift to this side, 7k is equal -1 will shift here is 2. So k is equal to 2 upon 7. It's okay. So k ratio 1, it is k ratio 1 is equal to 2 upon 7 ratio 1. We can write it. So it is 2 upon 7. If you multiply it by 7, it is 2 ratio 7. And by x value we can, y value if you want to take, so y is equal to similarly same formula k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. Substitute the value. Now cross multiply, it is coming k is equal to 4 upon 40 means 2 upon 7. Again same. So okay. So k ratio 1 is equal 7 upon 2 ratio 1. So it is 2 ratio 7. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segments joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of the division. In x-axis the point must be x coordinate is x and y coordinate is 0. So okay, in previous part also we have done this way. In x-axis the coordinate is x is 0. Okay. Now by section formula also by k ratio 1, suppose it is divided into in k ratio 1. Okay. Then we can write it y is equal to y is 0. This value has given already. We have already. So we can write it by y is equal to k y2 k into y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. Now you have substitute the value y is equal to 0. So k into 5. So okay, k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5. Okay, upon k plus 1. So it is this. If you cross multiply k plus 1 into 0, it is 0. So it is k 5k is equal to k minus 5 will come this side. So 5k is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5 cancel, k is equal to 1. That means it is 1 ratio 1 it divided. Okay. So required ratio is k ratio 1 means 1 ratio 1. Coordinate of P. Now you have to find the value of x. So okay. Value of x. Now substitute the value. We know the ratio is 1 ratio 1. So it is -4 plus 1, x2 plus x1 upon 2 and y2 plus y1 upon 2. So okay. So it is -3 upon 2 into and 0 is the coordinate. Thank you very much. It is the last question of this part.